Hi, I'm Joachim for Statistics Globe, and in this video I'll explain how to change the size of a base R plot in the R programming language. In the video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the data that we can create with the lines 2 to 4 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio, 3 new vector objects appear, whereby x and y contain numeric values and the vector group contains a grouping indicator that we will use to draw our legend later on. Now let's assume that we want to draw a scatter plot of our data with a legend using the basic installation of the R programming language. Then we can apply the code that you can see in lines 6 to 12. So in lines 6 to 8 I'm using the plot function to draw our scatter plot, and in lines 9 to 12 I'm adding a legend to this plot that identifies the two colors that are shown in our plot. However, as you can see, the legend of this plot is relatively small. So depending on the size of our plot, we might want to increase or decrease the size of this legend. In the next example, I'm going to show you how to decrease the size of our legend, and we can do that by specifying the CEX argument. And if we specify a smaller value to the CEX argument, then our legend size is decreased. And if we specify a larger value to the CEX argument, then the legend size is increased. So in order to draw our legend with a smaller size, we first need to recreate our plot, as you can see in lines 14 to 16 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see that our plot is drawn again without a legend. And then I'm adding a legend on top of this using the code of lines 17 to 21. And as you can see, this time I'm specifying a small value for the CEX argument. And for that reason, our legend at the top right is drawn relatively small. However, if we want to increase the size of our legend, we can apply basically the same code as before. But this time we are using a larger CEX value. As you can see, in this case, we are using the value 2.5. So if you run lines 23 to 30 of the code, our plot is created again. And this time the legend size has been increased. So in this video, I have explained how to change the size of a legend in a base R plot. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently created a tutorial in which I'm explaining the code of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, or if you give me a thumbs up on the video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.